Hello everyone, my name is Furuzan Mirshekari. Today I want to dive into the health information management and emerging technologies. What is the health information management? Health information management is the practice of acquiring, analyzing, and protecting digital and traditional medical information essential to providing quality patient care. It involves managing patient data and ensuring accuracy, security, and accessibility across healthcare systems. Health information management combines the elements of business, health science, and information technology. Health information management professional serves as a bridge between clinical, operational, and administrative functions within healthcare organizations. They maintain the highest standards of data integrity, confidentiality, and security. Health information professionals utilize health information systems tools for variety functions, including coding, billing, informatics, compliance, and leadership. Health professionals should understand the health care system, patient flow, and information management effectively. In this slide, I will explain the evolving landscape of health information management and its connection with health information technology and health informatics. Health information technology provides the technical infrastructure, including hardware and software systems. Health informatics is the science of how to use data, information, and knowledge to improve human health and delivery of healthcare services. The difference between health information management and health informatics is that an health information management profession primary focuses is on managing health information, while an health information informatic profession primarily focuses is on technologies and systems. Health information management acts as a bridge connecting health information technology and health informatics to create a seamless healthcare system. As we know, health information management has evolved from manual paper records to advanced digital systems, while retaining its core functions of capturing, storing, sharing, accessing, and managing health information. These technology innovations allows healthcare providers to adopt new technologies such as EHR, AI, and telehealth. One of the most significant emerging trends in health information management is adoption of electronic health records. Electronic health records are digital versions of patient health records that store patient information electronically, making it easily accessible to healthcare providers. Telehealth is another emerging trend in health information management. Telehealth refers to delivery of healthcare services using digital technologies such as video conferencing, teleconferencing, and remote monitoring to improve healthcare access, reduce healthcare costs, and improve patients' outcomes. AI refers to simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think like a human and mimic their actions. Big data refers to large data sets generated rapidly from various sources such as electronic health records, medical imaging, and wearable devices. Analyzing this data enables healthcare providers to enhance decision-making, improve patient outcome, and reduce costs. Machine learning algorithms have been instrumental in enhancing telemedicine platforms by enabling real-time patient monitoring and analyzing patient data to predict disease progression. Machine learning-driven chatbot and virtual assistant have been deployed to answer health-related queries and schedule appointments to streamline telehealth services. Technologies like 5G and cloud computing are revolutionizing healthcare by enabling remote consultation and real-time emergency responses. Doctors who wearing virtual reality glasses can monitor vital signs like electrocardiograms, ultrasound, and blood pressure on a large screen in real time. Technology advancement in health information management, starting with smart wearable and AI. In real-world applications, Hawaii and over 80 Chinese hospitals have conducted a heart health study involving 3.1 million participants since 2018. Through smart wearables and AI, they monitored cardiac signals and analyzed data via cloud-based AI in timely interventions. Over 10,000 individuals were screened for atrial fibrillation, resulting in 4,400 diagnoses at 90% accuracy. Next, telemedicine acceleration. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated telemedicine globally, driven by machine learning. This allowed for remote monitoring and virtual consultation to make healthcare more accessible. Moving to reducing patient readmissions. At the Cleveland clinics, electronic health records have reduced readmissions by 15% over 2 years. By centralizing patient data, clinicians make faster decisions and workflow efficiency. Then, medical imaging and disease detection in advance. Machine learning is transforming yearly disease detection. For example, Google's DeepMind can detect over 50 eye diseases from retinal scans, enabling ophthalmologists to make diagnoses quickly. Furthermore, a clinical decision support system integrated with AI reduced adverse drug events by 20% at Massachusetts General Hospital, enhancing patient safety by flagging drug interactions and dosage errors in real time. Finally, automation in healthcare, such as robotic process automation, is used in hospitals to handle tasks like scheduling, record managing, and claiming processing, which minimize errors. However, technological advancements come with significant challenges in health information management. Privacy and security concerns are top of the mind. Protecting patient data is essential, yet breaches and unauthorized access are ongoing risks that confirm how cybersecurity is critical. Data analysis training is another challenge. Many healthcare providers need more training to interpret data for advanced systems. Stakeholders' alignment is often difficult as the interest of payers, providers, patients, and tech companies that don't always align, which can slow integration. Cost and reimbursement also present barriers. The high cost of implementation these technologies and limited finance for hiring human resources make access challenging. Interoperability issues arise from the lack of standardized systems, making data exchange difficult. Data management is a complex task. Healthcare organizations now generate big data like lab results and physician notes. That's why managing, storing, and analyzing these data is a major challenge for healthcare professionals. Finally, usability can impact efficiency and safety. Poorly designed systems often lead to user frustration and some errors. The most important ethical consideration is security and compliance risks, particularly HIPAA compliance. Healthcare organizations must ensure that confidentiality, integrity, and availability of electronic patient health information under the Health Insurance Probability and Accountability Act regulations. In case of non-compliance, organizations face heavy fines or criminal charges. Data protection is another essential ethical consideration. Health information management professionals must safeguard patients' information and ensure their confidentiality. Furthermore, maintaining public trust is crucial. Health information management must address public mistrust, particularly in misinformation such as vaccine hesitancy impacts healthcare decisions. Moreover, data security and reliability are central to health information management tasks, as professionals must ensure that large volumes of data are securely managed to protect patient information. Enhancing patient satisfaction and care quality is another outcome of ethical management of health information by health information management, which directly influences the patient outcome and satisfaction. Lastly, controlling data access or data segmentation is crucial area where health information management must carefully manage access to sensitive patient information, ensuring only authorized individuals can view specific data. The future of health information management is likely to be shaped by rapid technological advancement and evolving healthcare demands. Firstly, AI plays a significant role in predictive analytics, helping healthcare providers anticipate patient needs and detect disease early. For example, futurist Ray Kurzweil predicts that by 2030, advancements in robotics and AI may eradicate all diseases and slow aging, highlighting exponential rather than linear technological progress. Similarly, James Davis, CEO of Quest Diagnostics, views automation and AI as essential for enhancing lab operations. He emphasizes improving diagnosis accuracy with AI-assisted pathology diagnosis. In addition to AI, blockchain technology could revolutionizing data security in health information management by providing a decentralizing method to save patients' records. For example, Avenir aims to expand its blockchain network to include more healthcare stakeholders and improve interoperability. Meanwhile, Mediblock plans to integrate more healthcare services, fostering a patient-centered environment. Similarly, Guardtime intends to expand its blockchain solutions globally, focusing on enhancing data security and integrity in healthcare. Looking to the future, interoperability and standardization will be crucial as developments focus on creating standard sharing protocols across healthcare systems. Overall, these advancements enable to make healthcare more accessible, secure, and tailored to individual needs, ultimately enhancing the quality of patient care in the future. To conclude, health information management is vital for advancing healthcare, ensuring data management, security, and accessibility, all essential for quality patient care. As healthcare evolves with new treatment and technologies like AI and telehealth, health information management professionals play a critical role in organizing vast amounts of data, maintaining accuracy, and staying updated with industry changes. Despite challenges, health information management is essential in adopting healthcare to meet modern demand and improve patient outcomes. This introduction paves the way for a true examination of health information management advantages and obstacles leading into the subsequent sections. Thank you.